Hello everyone, when you put eggplant into boiling hot oil and take it out, it instantly turns into a delicious dish that everyone raves about. So how exactly is it made? First, prepare 2 fresh eggplants and cut off both ends. Then peel the eggplants. When buying eggplants, choose ones with smooth skin that feel firm when you squeeze them. Eggplants like this are more tender and don't have seeds. Next, cut the eggplants in half. Then cut them into strips. Finally, dice them into small cubes. After cutting, put them into a large bowl. Pour in plenty of clean water. Add a little white vinegar. Soak for 10 minutes to prevent the eggplants from oxidizing and turning black. Next, add a spoonful of ketchup to a bowl. Add a spoonful of white vinegar, a spoonful of sugar, a pinch of salt. Stir thoroughly with a spoon until well mixed. You can also adjust the amount of white vinegar and sugar to your own taste. Now our sweet and sour sauce is ready. It can be used for sweet and sour fish or sweet and sour pork. Set it aside for now. Our eggplants are done soaking, so take them out and drain off the water. After draining the water, put them into a large bowl. Add an appropriate amount of cornstarch. Then mix by hand, making sure the eggplant pieces are evenly coated with a layer of starch. Mix until it looks like this, and that's good enough. Next, add a generous amount of oil to the pan. Heat the oil in the pan until it's about 60% hot. When you put in chopsticks, small bubbles should quickly form around them. Next, spread the starch-coated eggplant pieces apart and add them to the pan. Turn the heat to high and fry the eggplant until it holds its shape. Gently stir with a slotted spoon to ensure even heating. Fry the eggplant until it's cooked through and the surface is crispy. Alright, remove them and drain off the excess oil. Then increase the oil temperature. When the oil in the pan reaches about 70% hot, add the eggplant back in for a second fry. This helps to force out the excess oil from the eggplant. Fry until the surface turns slightly golden. This will make it even crispier and more fragrant. Alright, remove them and drain off the excess oil. Listen to that, the sound is especially crispy. Leave a little oil in the pan, then pour in the prepared sweet and sour sauce. Keep stirring with a spatula to help the sugar dissolve. Let some of the vinegar's acidity evaporate. This makes the sweet and sour flavor milder. Simmer the sauce until it thickens. There's no need to add water or use any thickening agent here. Once it reaches this level of thickness, it's ready. Drizzle in a little hot oil from frying the eggplant to give the dish a glossy finish. Then add the eggplant and stir-fry quickly so that the eggplant is evenly coated with the sweet and sour sauce. Alright, plate it up. Finally, sprinkle some toasted black and white sesame seeds on top, and a delicious sweet and sour eggplant dish is ready. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, tangy and sweet, appetizing and satisfying. Kids especially love it. It's also very easy to make, so if you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.